Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you how I achieved this faux locs. I did them last week Tuesday, and today is Tuesday, so I have them for a week now. I did them because I wanted to go glamping, and I went to the pool with them, but they are still looking pretty good. So I could go more weeks with them, or I don't know, a week or more days, but I want to take them off. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date of my new videos, and also turn on the notification bell so you can receive the notifications when I post something. So what I am going to do, oh, this looks so realistic, looks so great actually. I like it. Yes, it looks so black actually in the camera, on the camera, but it's actually like a reddish color because they didn't have black my hair color, so it doesn't matter. After, when I'm done, I'm just gonna put them in hot water so they can loosen up a little bit. But what I am going to do now is show you how I am. Oh, the baby's crying. Okay, so what I basically do is making braids. Ouch. Okay, so I'm not gonna do them very small because first of all, it will take too long, and the look I want is very, yeah, I want this look actually like more realistic and not too long. So what I'm gonna do is take this synthetic hair, and I'm gonna make them like a little bit big, because when I wrap the hair, I don't want to like do 2 layers because then it will be too thin. So I'm just gonna take enough synthetic hair just to make the braid like this. Like this. And now I'm just gonna braid it. So I'm just gonna do a couple of braids on camera just to show you how easy it is. I am going to use this Marley hair without this one to wrap the hair, and I did choose like a long one, like very long inch. Then I could have cut it in half, so I only paid 15 euros for my whole head actually, because the synthetic hair I already had it at home, so that's very good. Okay, now to the wrapping part. What I do is just like here I have the hair. I am gonna fold it like this, just when I'm gonna wrap the hair it won't come loose, or you won't have like hair sticking out. So I'm just gonna wrap this and secure this part just so it won't loosen up. And what I do is like tighten it up a little bit, because then it can come off. Wait. Yeah, like this. Actually, I'm not even looking what I'm doing. Okay. Wrap it. And don't worry if it's not perfect, you know. That's actually the whole idea of it, for it not to look perfect, because otherwise it won't look realistic. Alright. And you always want to do like take the Marley hair longer than the braid itself. Then you have enough hair to cover the braid, you see. Oh wait, to cover it up. And if it's too long, if the braid is too long, then I'll just wrap this back up. And take my lighter and burn it. I'm sitting in front of the window, so the lighter won't work. And my finger hurts because I've been using it like since the beginning of this hairstyle, so it hurts a little bit. And what you can do is, or you cut it, or you can burn it if you want. But I will suggest you to burn it, because then ta-da! That easy. Not bad for my first time, right? I really like it. Okay, so you got that. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I will do the rest off camera, because I have a very special person here who's helping me. Otherwise I will be doing it for 2 days. I'll be busy for 2 days. Okay, so wait. When I get here, I'll just go back up, but tightly. ik helemaal. Can't wait to get a shower. To take a shower. Alright. And you have just to make sure it's secured, and it's okay if it gets messy. If you don't want it messy, then you'll have to use another method, because this works for me. Okay, I'll be right back. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.